Good day, everyone. I am honored to welcome you to the Fifth International Conference on Advancing Knowledge from Multidisciplinary Perspectives in Education, Engineering, and Technology. I will be attending and discussing about education and teaching. Throughout this conference, you will gain valuable insights on the global competence that 21st century teachers accept. The SDGs serve as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. Over the course of this conference, we will explore how our collective efforts can contribute to the achievements of the SDG, from innovative research initiatives to transformative educational practices. Every contribution matters. So, get ready to engage, connect, and be inspired. Together, let's make the most of this incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and make meaningful connections. Register now and be part of this transformative experience.